Hi, this is War, and welcome back. In this video, I will explain how the computer receives information. We will talk about two concepts, input devices, output devices. At the end, I put the link for next video. As you can see right here, computer networking is be our next video. So come back, I'm going to show you. So let's go and define. As you can see right here, this keyboard, mouse, input devices allow you to enter data into computer. A screen you see here allow you to see the result. We call them output devices. We have a speaker, also a printer that's considered to be output devices. In simple word, input device is a device allow you to enter information, and output is a device that give you a result, it show you the result. So let's see a description here, or a definition. So input devices, as you can see on the top, hardware that feed the data into computer. So allow you to enter the data, and then that action you can see as you see information on the screen. So we have those devices, as I stated before. A keyboard is considered to be input devices, as you see here. We have a mouse here. This one is input devices. Touch pad here, this one is considered also. And we have a scanner. I don't see here. This is a webcam, but a scanner, when you scan something in, is considered to be input devices. Microphone, like this one, considered to be input devices, because you talk like I'm talking to you right now, is input devices. Camera, what I'm using right now, and there's other devices. So let's see output devices. So hardware take from you a processor data, use input, and then the result on the screen, or when you hear something like a speaker, that's considered to be output devices. We have a monitor here, display, we have a printer, we have a speaker, and we have a projector and other devices that considered to be. So as in the first video, when I talk about a computer, that computer take a data from you, process the data, and give you a result or useful information. That information you see or been showing, that's input devices. Whatever that device